Topic name is population. Population of India is increasing day after day. Why? Because India is providing its citizen food, standard medical facilities and employment. These three factors always increase the population of any country, whether it is India or America. We know very well India is a agricultural country. Being agricultural country, it's nearly 75% people depend on agriculture. Why? Because primary occupation of Indian population is agriculture. Being primary occupation, India is not giving its 100% on agriculture. Why? There are so many factors which always people not to concentrate on agriculture. Indian government is not providing its citizen education regarding agriculture. It is a very important topic, population. It is very useful for those countries who consider their population as a resource. It can be resource. Any population can be resource. Only if it is providing to its population skill education, then any population can become resource. Any population can become productive if they are being provided quality education. We know very well India is providing skill education to its citizen. India wants to make its citizen productive and skillful. Both 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 countries, India and America, are emphasizing on skill education. If we say America, it is the industrial country. Being an industrial country, America is providing industrial education to its citizen. So it is nice. America is following right path. But why can't India follow right path? Being agricultural country, it is the rudimentary duty of Indian government is to provide agricultural education to its citizen. It is very important. It is an urgent issue. Should be solved as soon as possible. This issue has to be solved as soon as possible. Indian agriculture has to be made successful. It is very urgent to make Indian agriculture successful. We know very well India's population is increasing day after day. India and China are the two countries which stands first and second in the world. India stands the first in terms of population, and after that China stands the second in terms of population. Both the economies of these two countries are emerging day after day. India has a lot of raw materials, natural resources, which always ready to provide industrial countries. Any raw material can be provided to industrial countries. So India is ready to provide raw material to America. It is one of the most important country in the world, and it is industrial country. America is providing job to many people who are coming from different countries. Our Indian citizens are also seeking job in America because America is offering high salary job. And our Indian people and Indian people always want to get high salary job because they want that reputed job which is in America. So population can be changed due to three factors: birth rate, death rate, and migration. Migration can be two types: internal migration, out migration, international migration, state migration, city migration, village migration. Migration always takes place due to numerous factors. Birth rate: India's population is increasing due to birth rate because birth rate will never stop. New babies always get born in the world and they always add population level, and due to this reason population will never stop. It will continue to rise. After that, death rate. Due to accident, there are so many issues why death rate take place. So death rate also determine the population level. After that, migration. If we say international migration, why does it take place? Due to employment, medical facilities, and job opportunities. Many Indian people are seeking job in foreign countries. Why? Because they are poor, they want job, they want to earn money. These problems always force them to seek job in foreign countries. After that, state migration within country. From state to state, UP people, Bihar people are seeking job in Mumbai. Mumbai is the nice city. There are many industries and these industries are ready to provide job who are in need, and these people often migrated from UP Bihar because there is no job for them. So Mumbai city, Pune city, these two cities are very important and are playing very crucial role to provide job to those people who are coming from northern states. So migration, death rate, birth rate, these three factors always determine the level of population change. Population change always takes place due to these three factors. Literacy rate. Literacy rate can be determined by many factors. Those persons who are able to read, write, and speak any one language which have included in the 2022 languages, and these 22 languages have been identified by our Indian Constitution, can be called as literate. Suppose a person is able to read, write, and speak Marathi language, so he can be considered as literate. So Indian literacy is increasing day after day because Indian government is providing free cost of education to any children irrespective of their gender, caste, category, or place of birth. It is known as right to elementary education at ZP school, Article 21A. Kerala is the first state in India which attained 100% literacy. If we say which country has attained less literacy rate, Bihar, UP. These two countries are not, these two states are not providing education to its people due to many issues, and it is not the fault of the government, it is the fault of the people. People are not sending their daughters, their sons to school to get education. So government and school will not come to your house and say no, you I will come here and I will teach you. So it is wrong statement. You should send your daughter's son at school because education is must for them. If they educate themselves, they may be able to acquire nice job. They will come to know difference between right and wrong, and they may be able to acquire good ethical principles in their life. Then sex composition. Nowadays, females are not being given chance to take birth on the earth. Why? Because you are not part of our society. You will not be given chance. If you are girl, you should stay at home. Chance will not be given to you. Chance is being given to you. Why? Why? What will you do? You will misuse this opportunity. So these are the misunderstanding has been kept in mind by the people. Why? We should change our attitude. We should change our perspectives about girls. Haryana is the first state in India which practiced abortion. Those people who are from Haryana never see girls in their society. They are not giving birth to girl. They always consider girl is a sin. Why should we give birth to girl? Why should we allow girl into our family? So this is a wrong statement. Girls are also part of our society. We should treat them equally. If we should treat them equally, what will happen? They will feel secure in our society and they will start to talk confidently with us. These are the important information, and we know very well we have to practice all this information as soon as possible. Then girls are able to live happily along with their families. If we say National Education Policy 2020 has 2020, it is the new education policy. If we say National Population Policy 2000 provides a policy framework for imparting free and compulsory school education up to 14 age. It means right to elementary education. In India, we have to impart quality education to each and every children who age between 6 to 14. It comes under Article 21